Are you ready to find out what platforms can make your wallet as happy as your feet? Well, today we're diving into the best apps for selling feet pictures and figuring out which one of these could be your cash cow. Hello, fabulous foot photographers and savvy side hustlers. Whether you are toying with the idea of maybe selling feet pics online or you are aiming to boost your earnings, you've landed in the perfect spot. In today's episode, we're going to be sifting through the top apps that can transform your feet pics from mere photographs into major income. So if you are ready to step up your side hustle game, then let's kick off this adventure and turn those snaps into serious cash. So we're going to kick things off by exploring the top contenders. We have FeetFinder, Foap, Fun with Feet, Etsy, InstaFeet, and Dollar Feet. Each of these platforms offer unique features, but today we're going to focus on what makes them stand out in the crowded market of selling feet pics online. So first, we're going to dive into FeetFinder and find out why it has become a favorite amongst feet pic sellers. So this platform stands out due to its dedicated focus on feet content. It's praised for its high security standards and user-friendly interface, which allows sellers to retain up to 80% of their sales, which is a major perk and attracts a large number of sellers. FeetFinder also emphasizes safety and security with its very thorough verification process. This offers a secure and a trustworthy marketplace. This commitment to safety and the potential for high earnings makes it an extremely appealing platform for both new and for seasoned sellers. So moreover, the high competition on FeetFinder is just a testament to how great this platform is and its effectiveness as a sales platform. So it encourages sellers to continuously improve their offerings and engage actively with the community, fostering a vibrant and dynamic environment for all foot sellers. So now we're going to shift our focus and compare other platforms that stack up in the world of selling feet pics. First off, we are going to start with Foap. This app is fantastic for those looking to break into the commercial market. It connects photographers directly with brands and agencies that need specific images, including foot photos. So this helps with advertising campaigns, and the big draw, your photos could end up in high quality and high profile ad spaces, potentially earning you more per shot compared to the traditional sale. Next, we have Fun with Feet. And while this app may not have the widespread recognition of some of the larger platforms, Fun with Feet offers an extremely quirky and engaging community for those who are passionate about their niche content. It's perfect for sellers who want to thrive on community interaction, as well as enjoy a platform with a very playful and engaging audience. And then next, we have Etsy, which main focus is known for homemade and unique items. So Etsy allows you to sell your feet pics alongside other artistic creations, and this could be a great potential platform for those who are an artist or maybe a craftsman and they are looking to package their feet pics with other personal products. Though keep in mind, Etsy has a broad focus, so you'll definitely need to work harder on this platform to find people who are specifically looking for feet content. And next we have InstaFeet, which operates on a subscription model. InstaFeet lets you build a community with a steady base of subscribers who will pay a monthly fee to access your content. This model can provide a consistent revenue feed and is ideal for those who want to produce content on a more regular basis and engaging content to keep their subscribers constantly coming back for more month after month. And then lastly, we have Dollar Feet. This platform definitely has a lot more of a straightforward approach and acts as a direct buyer of your foot content. All you do is you simply upload your photos and then you are offered a pay rate per photo. So it's uncomplicated with immediate payouts, though this model is slightly less flexible in terms of your pricing and definitely lacks that personal interaction that you may get on other platforms with your buyers. So each of these platforms that I talked about definitely have their own unique strengths, and you have to figure out which one would be the right choice for you based on your goals, your styles, and how much control you want over your feet photos. So definitely choose wisely and figure out where you think your content will shine the brightest. So if you think you're leaning towards using FeetFinder as your platform, here's how to make the most of it. So start by creating high quality content that stands out with creative setups, and definitely engage regularly with your audience and consider special requests that will help you build trust with your loyal customer base. And don't forget to use social media to drive traffic straight to your FeetFinder profile. This will boost your visibility and your sales. So are you ready today to finally start cashing in on those feet photos? Head over to FeetFinder right now and get verified with their easy verification process. And if you're looking for more insights on how to sell feet pics or other feet related topics, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, or down in the comments below you can also leave your experiences with FeetFinder or any of the platforms that I had talked about today. And if you're ready to make those profits, then let's do it one foot photo at a time.